The entire GPS map of these do-re-mi scale patterns, which contain all 7 scale modes within them, can be reduced to 3 smaller fingering patterns that repeat. I call this group of smaller patterns magic star dots. Here is some suggested fingering when playing the pattern. Pay attention to and remember that the index finger will move up 1 fret in between the red and white lines. It might be easier just to remember that all the pinky fingers notes line up on the same fret. Because of the way that my hand fits onto the neck, I use my 1st, 2nd, and 4th fingers to play the red lines. Some of you may prefer using your 1st, 3rd, and 4th fingers instead. To remember the order in which magic star dots repeat, think 322, red, white, and blue. Here's what I mean. There are 3 red patterns, 2 white, and 2 blue. 322, red, white, and blue. Let's watch a quick overview of how this all works. When we apply the magic star dots pattern to play all the modes, we'll play through a rotation of 3 red lines, or rows, 2 white lines, and 2 blue lines. 322, red, white, and blue. However, when we put the magic star dots in place for the Ionian mode, notice 2 things. 1, we'll actually start playing the pattern on the 2nd red line, and then continue with the 3rd red line, and then the white 1, white 2, blue 1, and blue 2. And the second thing that is needed to make magic star dots work is that the top 2 lines of the pattern must be shifted 1 fret higher on the neck due to the way that the guitar is tuned. You can see an explanation for this concept in your companion ebook if you're interested. So we shift and then we play the pattern from the bottom 6th string to the top 1st string. Now to move on to the next mode, the Dorian mode, we start again on the 6th string by repeating the last line that we played on the 1st string. And then we pick up where we left off in our 322 red, white, and blue sequence. The same thing happens when we move again to the next mode. We repeat the last line that we played on the 1st string, and then continue where we left off in our 322 red, white, and blue sequence, and then continue up the neck in the same manner for the rest of the modes. While Magic Star Dots provides a formula to play all the modes with its 1 repeating pattern, the real benefit will be to use Magic Star Dots to quickly identify where to position the GPS map and know what key or mode to play along with a song. Let's do a quick review.